Cakes. And this is Eson.
And this is how to make an homemade ice cream.
We will need 1 cup of whole milk, sugar, and choco powder.
For materials, ice, salt, plastic bag, ziploc.
Open the zipper bag and pour the milk. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix well. Put it in another zipper bag to make sure it won't spill. Seal it. And get 2 plastic bags and add a plentiful amount of ice. Then add 6 tablespoons of salt. Put the mix in the plastic bags with the ice and salt inside. Tie the plastic bag. Shake it for 7 minutes.
First, open a ziploc bag. Then pour the milk. Two spoons of sugar. 1½ chocolate powder. Then close the bag. Make sure that the bag does not have much air inside. Mix it well. Then put it aside. Add some salt in the ice. 6 spoonfuls should be enough. Put the bag on top and bait the bag with a cup of water. And keep mixing it in with the ice for 7 minutes. To ensure that the ice cream is icy and thick, mix it more than 7 minutes. Put it in a bowl or a cup and have fun eating your homemade chocolate ice cream.
Thanks for watching!